So, as you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. I want you guys to take a look at this. But first, please click the like, sub, and the bell, just, so you get alerted of these notifications. We're going to talk about Vroom. Their earnings are on the 7th of next month. Disclaimer, I already have options and straight shares on them. But let's move past that, okay? The market cap is currently at just over 140 million. Outstanding shares under 140 million. Float 130 or under 130 million. 92.55% of the company is on float. Okay. Here are the fundamentals. Now, we're not going to be able to take into account a lot of their margin, and which is something that I usually like to look at, simply because we've just experienced probably the biggest used car bubble that we've ever had. But I do want to show you something else. All right, so look at their revenue. Obviously, right there, it's not looking the best, okay? But look at this. Look a little bit deeper. So number of employees, okay? So they're growing in people. Now, would they keep growing in people if the work wasn't there? Probably not, right? I mean, that's just my assumption, but again, well, what do I know? Also, just so you guys, if you guys are even more curious, on the 14th, they just received a consensus $17 price target from multiple different brokers. Now, I don't really like to look at price targets, especially in a potential squeeze scenario, but, if that's what floats your boat, there's that. Now, here's their short interest, 21.71%. Utilization is 100. Take a look at this. Now 50% of their shorts will be underwater at $2.06. I already did the math. Okay. However, look at this. We are just coming off not only FTDs. Okay. We're coming off the threshold. Now the T plus 90 I believe we would have just passed that. Okay. However, bang, FTDs, and then smaller amounts of FTDs are rolling in. However, we do have one nice FTD spike there. And I don't think that we've seen the price action off that just yet. I might be biased, but I mean, I don't recall seeing this price action off that. Now, this is a stock that was trading much, much higher before the bubble. This had a high of 75.50, 75.49, okay? I find that very appealing. I mean, before the drop-off, okay, we'll say a relative high before, the big drop-off, okay, was probably right in here, right? April of 2021. She was trading at $48 and change. I mean, hey, you guys do what you guys want, but, I don't know. I have calls. I have shares. But for this to be trading at $1.03, I think it's absolutely laughable. But that's your conclusion to come up with. Join us on live. I will be doing. I'm going to be doing DD for a little bit here. But when I'm done with DD, we will be covering the markets. But please drop me a like, please drop me a sub, and I will go ahead and I will see you guys tomorrow at 8 if this is going to be your first time hanging out. Later, guys.